Hello everyone and welcome! Today, ackee is on the table for discussion, a vibrant fruit with a rich history and a special place in Caribbean cuisine. Known scientifically as Blighia sapida, this unique fruit is also called ACKEE or ACKEE. Let's dive into this delicious and intriguing fruit. A native of West Africa, ackee found a new home in the Caribbean, becoming a beloved staple, especially in Jamaica. Ackee's distinct flavor and versatility make it a culinary star. It's a key ingredient in the national dish of Jamaica, ackee and saltfish, a flavorful combination enjoyed for breakfast or dinner. Beyond its culinary appeal, ackee boasts an array of health benefits, making it a nutritious and delicious addition to any diet. Knowing when ackee is ripe is crucial for safe consumption. Unripe ackee can be toxic due to a naturally occurring toxin. Fortunately, identifying ripe ackee is simple. The fruit's outer pod transforms from green to a vibrant red or yellow-orange when fully ripe. Ripe ackee pods naturally split open, revealing 3 shiny black seeds surrounded by creamy yellow flesh known as aril. This aril is the edible part of the ackee fruit. It has a delicate, slightly nutty flavor and a buttery texture. Always choose ackee that has opened naturally and discard the seeds, as they are toxic. Ackee's journey began in West Africa, where it thrived in the tropical climate. During the 18th century, the fruit made its way across the Atlantic to the Caribbean aboard slave ships. The Caribbean's warm, humid climate proved ideal for ackee cultivation. Jamaica, in particular, embraced ackee, incorporating it into its culinary traditions. Today, Jamaica is the world's largest producer of ackee, with the fruit deeply ingrained in the island's culture and identity. Ackee trees flourish in well-drained soil and abundant sunlight, making the Caribbean the perfect environment for this tropical treasure. Beyond its delicious taste, ackee is a nutritional powerhouse, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. This abundance of nutrients contributes to a wide range of health and beauty benefits. Ackee is an excellent source of vitamin A, essential for maintaining healthy vision and skin. The fruit is also rich in B vitamins, crucial for energy production and cell function. Vitamin C, a potent antioxidant, helps boost the immune system and protect against cell damage. Ackee's mineral content is equally impressive, with significant amounts of potassium, magnesium, and calcium, all vital for maintaining bone health, regulating blood pressure, and supporting muscle function. Ackee's nutritional profile extends its benefits to brain health. The combination of vitamins, minerals, and fatty acids in ackee contributes to improved cognitive function and overall brain health. The B vitamins in ackee, particularly B6, B9, and B12, play a crucial role in neurotransmitter synthesis. These neurotransmitters are essential for communication between brain cells, influencing mood, memory, and cognitive performance. Ackee also contains omega-6 fatty acids, particularly linoleic acid, which is a vital component of brain cell membranes. While omega-6 fatty acids are essential, it's important to maintain a balanced intake of both omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids for optimal brain health. Ackee's benefits extend beyond the brain, offering support for various organs, including the heart, digestive system, and bones. The high potassium content in ackee helps regulate blood pressure, reducing the risk of heart disease and stroke. Potassium acts as a natural vasodilator, relaxing blood vessel walls and improving blood flow. Ackee's fiber content promotes digestive health by adding bulk to the stool, preventing constipation and supporting regular bowel movements. Fiber also acts as a prebiotic, nourishing beneficial gut bacteria, which play a crucial role in digestion and overall health. The calcium and magnesium in ackee are essential for maintaining strong bones and preventing age-related bone loss. The potent combination of nutrients and antioxidants in ackee makes it a valuable ally in disease prevention. Ackee exhibits anti-inflammatory properties, which can help reduce chronic inflammation, a contributing factor to many chronic diseases, including heart disease, cancer, and arthritis. The antioxidants in ackee, including vitamin C and flavonoids, protect cells from oxidative stress caused by free radicals, unstable molecules that can damage cells and contribute to disease development. Ackee's fiber content may also play a role in blood sugar regulation. Fiber slows down sugar absorption into the bloodstream, helping prevent rapid spikes in blood sugar levels, which is beneficial for individuals with diabetes or those at risk of developing the condition. Let's take a short break from all this medical talk and make a quick taste of Jamaica dish, ackee and saltfish. This dish is a true representation of the island's rich culinary heritage. Often enjoyed for breakfast, this versatile meal that can be served at any time of the day, bringing families together over its delightful taste. The creamy texture of ackee pairs perfectly with the salty, savory flavor of saltfish, creating a harmonious blend of tastes and textures. The combination is what makes it a beloved dish across the island. Gather together the following ingredients. 1 19-ounce can of ackee, drained and rinsed. Ackee is a unique fruit that, when cooked, has a texture quite similar to scrambled eggs. Half a pound of salt cod, soaked overnight and flaked. The salt cod needs to be soaked to remove excess salt and to rehydrate it. Also half an onion, chopped, half a green bell pepper, chopped. The bell pepper adds a nice crunch and a pop of colour to the dish. 2 cloves of garlic minced. Garlic brings a lovely aroma and depth of flavour to the dish. 2 tablespoons of olive oil. A 1/4 teaspoon of fresh cracked black pepper, salt to taste, and chopped scallions for garnish. Here we go. In a large skillet or saucepan, heat the olive oil over medium heat. Make sure the oil is hot before adding the vegetables. Add in the onion, bell pepper, and garlic and cook until softened. Stir occasionally to ensure even cooking. Then add the flaked salt cod and black pepper and cook for another 5 minutes, stirring occasionally. The salt cod should be heated throughout and slightly crispy. Gently fold in the drained ackee, being careful not to break up the delicate aril. The ackee should be heated through but not overcooked. Cook for an additional 2 to 3 minutes or until heated through. This allows all the flavors to meld together beautifully, then season with salt to taste. Be cautious with the salt, as the saltfish already adds a significant amount of saltiness. Garnish with your chopped scallions and serve immediately with boiled green bananas, fried dumplings, or bread. These sides complement the dish perfectly, making it a complete and satisfying meal. So very delicious. My first ackee encounter was a Jamaican adventure. I'd heard about this unique fruit and its reputation for being both delicious and potentially dangerous if not prepared properly. Intrigued but slightly apprehensive, well, quite apprehensive if I'm honest, but I was determined to try it. The stories of its creamy texture and nutty flavor had piqued my curiosity. I found myself at a local market surrounded by vibrant colors, enticing aromas, and the lively chatter of vendors and shoppers. The market was a sensory overload, with every stall offering something new and exciting. I approached a stall piled high with fresh produce, including bright red ackee pods. The sight of the pods, with their unique appearance, was both fascinating and a little intimidating. The vendor, sensing my hesitation, assured me that the ackee was ripe and safe to eat. He explained that the key to enjoying ackee is ensuring it has opened naturally on the tree. He even showed me how to identify ripe pods that had opened naturally, pointing out the signs of a perfectly ready ackee. Reassured, I purchased some ackee and decided to try the national dish, ackee and saltfish, at a nearby food stall. The dish was a revelation. The combination of flavors was unlike anything I had ever tasted before. The creamy, slightly nutty ackee paired perfectly with the salty, flaky saltfish. The balance of textures and flavors was so tasty. It was a symphony of flavors and textures, a true taste of Jamaica. This experience not only satisfied my taste buds, but also deepened my appreciation for Jamaican culture and its culinary heritage. A surprising secret, ackee for weight management. Beyond its impressive nutritional profile and culinary versatility, ackee holds a surprising secret. It can be a valuable ally in weight management. The fruit's fiber content plays a key role in promoting a feeling of fullness and satiety, helping to reduce overall calorie intake. Fiber absorbs water and expands in the stomach, creating a sense of fullness that can help prevent overeating. This, combined with ackee's relatively low calorie content, makes it a satisfying and nutritious food choice for those looking to manage their weight. Incorporating ackee into a balanced diet, along with regular exercise and a healthy lifestyle, can contribute to sustainable weight management. Embrace the delicious world of ackee. Ackee, the Caribbean treasure with its vibrant color, unique flavor, and impressive health benefits, deserves a place on your plate. This exotic fruit is not only a feast for the eyes, but also a powerhouse of nutrients that can elevate any meal. From its humble origins in West Africa to its celebrated status in Jamaican cuisine, ackee has captured the hearts and taste buds of people worldwide. Its journey across continents has made it a beloved ingredient in many kitchens, bringing a touch of Caribbean flair to diverse culinary traditions. Whether you're seeking a nutritious and delicious addition to your diet, ACKEE offers a versatile option that can be incorporated into various dishes. Its creamy texture and subtle taste make it a perfect complement to both savory and sweet recipes. A natural way to support your health, ACKEE is packed with essential vitamins and minerals, including vitamin C, potassium, and healthy fats. These nutrients contribute to overall well-being and can help boost your immune system. ACKEE brings a burst of tropical flavor to your table. Imagine enjoying a sunny day with a delicious ACKEE dish, feeling the warmth and vibrancy of the Caribbean in every bite. Embrace the delicious world of ACKEE and discover the culinary and health benefits this remarkable fruit has to offer. From traditional dishes to innovative recipes, ACKEE can transform your meals into a delightful experience. Thank you for spending time with us today. Like this video, share it with your friends, and spread the word about the wonders of ACKEE. Let others join in on the culinary adventure and explore the rich flavors of this extraordinary fruit. Remember to subscribe to the channel for more exciting food adventures. Stay tuned for more delicious discoveries and culinary inspirations. Remember, the world of food is full of surprises and delights. Keep exploring, keep tasting, and let your culinary journey be filled with joy and excitement. And keep discovering the incredible flavors our planet has to offer. There's always something new to learn and taste, so never stop your adventure in the world of food. See you in the next one. Bye for now.